Good morning, students. Today we solve some more question of exercise 3.3. You know that in question number 20 and 21. Question number 20, left hand side. Question number 20, left hand side. Now take common from the numerator and denominator. Take common minus. It will become sin 3x minus sin x, and here in the denominator take common minus cos square x minus sin square x. Minus to minus cancel, and you know very well the formula sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y. We apply this formula here. Sin x minus sin y. Formula you know. 2 cos x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. Right? This is the formula. We apply this formula. 2 cos x plus y by 2. It means 3x plus x by 2 and sin 3x minus x by 2 divided by, and this is the direct formula, cos square x minus sin square x. Guess? Cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x. This is the formula cos 2x. Now when you simplify 4x by 2, it becomes 2x, and here 2x by 2 x, and here in the denominator cos 2x, cos 2x cancel, that is equal to 2 sin x, the right hand side. Okay, this is the solution of question number 20. Correct? Now we solve question number 21. Left hand side. To solve this question, firstly rearrange the term. Rearrange the term. You can write cos 4x plus cos 2x and sin 4x plus sin 2x. Because if we apply the formula in these two terms, then x plus y by 2. X plus y by 2. It means 4x plus 2x by 2 and 3x. After that you can take common cos 3x. You can take common cos 3x. So if you use these two terms, then 4x plus 3x, 7x by 2, then there is no benefit of this type of combination. Now we arrange the term. Here cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. In the denominator sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Now apply formula cos x plus cos y. Apply here formula cos x plus cos y. You know that formula cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y formula you know. That is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. We apply this formula here. Here we apply this formula. And in the denominator sin 4x and sin 2x, here we apply this formula sin x plus sin y, that is 2 sin x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. We apply these two formulae in this question. Now apply this formula cos 2 cos x plus y by 2. It means 4x plus 2x by 2 and cos 4x minus 2x by 2, and this term as it is cos 3x. This as it is. Here in the denominator, apply this formula in the denominator. Now I apply 2 sine 4x plus 2x by 2 and cos 4x minus 2x by 2 and the sine 3x as it is. Here I can check again. Here we apply this formula, and in the numerator we apply this formula. Clear? Now simplify. 2 cos, you know that 4x plus 2x, 6x, 6x by 2, 3x, correct? And here 4x minus 2x, 2x, 2x by 2, that is x, plus cos 3x. Similarly in the denominator, 2 sine 3x and cos x plus sine 3x. Now can you think, now how can you solve? Any idea? Now you can take common. You can take common from the numerator as well as from the denominator. You take common, and you know very well common. You can take common cos 3x common. Here 2 cos x plus 1, and in the denominator you can take common sin 3x. Sin 3x common. Here 2 cos x plus 1. 2 cos x plus 1. This will cancel. Now can you tell me cos x by sin x? Cos x by sin x. Every student know about this formula. Cos x by sin x, that is cot. Therefore cot 3x. There is the right hand side. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 21. Understand? Now we solve next question. Next question 22. Question number 22, very important. 22, 23, 24, 25. All 3-4 questions, last question, are very important from the examination point of view. Very difficult. By practice you can solve those questions. Now we start question number 22. Question number 22. Question number 22. Cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot 3x minus cot 3x and cot x is equal to 1. This is question number 22. In this question, this is a special type. In this question, the question is in the form of cot only, or the question is in the form of tan only. Again, it is special type. The question, always the question is in the form of cot only or in the form of tan only. In this question, there are three angles. You know that in this question there are three angles, that is x, 2x and 3x. X, 2x and 3x. It means the largest angle is the sum of other two. Largest angle is the sum of other two. This type. you can find out this type. Clear? So we start this question. 3x is equal to 2x plus x. Always largest angle is the sum of other two angle. Largest angle is the sum of other two angle in this type. Very important type. And if the question is in the form of cot, then taking cot both side. If the question is in the form of tan, then taking tan both side. And then apply formula. Then taking cot both side, taking cot both side, cotangent, you can see cot 3x is equal to cot 2x plus x. Now can you tell me the formula cos x plus y, cot x plus y? Cot x plus y formula, cot x cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x. This is the formula we apply in this question in the form of cot. Now apply this formula. Cot 2x cot x minus 1 upon cot 2x plus cot x. Okay. And this left hand side as it is. Left hand side as it is. Now cross multiply. Again check. Here we apply formula cot x plus y. This formula. Okay. If you know all the formulae, then you can solve all the questions very easily. Now cross multiply. This multiply. That is cot 2x cot 3x plus multiply cot 3x cot x, that is equal to right hand side this as it is, that is cot x and cot 2x minus 1. Now again can see this is no problem, this is simply cross multiply. Now arrange the term like this. Arrange the term like this. You can transfer 1 in the left hand side and this term right in the right hand side. Okay? When you shift 1 to the left hand side, the 1 become positive and this term become negative. So therefore when you rearrange, that is cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x plus minus here when you shift right hand side, that is cot 3x cot x, that is equal to 1. Okay? Hence proved. This is the proof. This is the proof of this question. Okay? This is question number 22nd, very important questions. Practice makes the man perfect. Practice makes the man perfect. So in this chapter number 3rd, the practice is needed. Very important. Now we start next question. We start question number, next question, that is 23rd. This is also very important question. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. This is question number 23rd. Can you think? How can you solve it? Can you think? Yes. Now, left hand side, tan 4x you can write 2 into 2x. Left hand side, tan 4x you can write 2 into 2x. Now can you tell me the formula tan 2a? This is the formula we apply in this question. 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Apply this formula. That is 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. When you compare this with this, a is equal to 2x. A is equal to 2x. So here put a is equal to 2x. Here. When you compare this with this, then a is equal to 2x. Now put in place of a you can put 2x. Now again apply formula tan 2x. Again apply formula tan 2x. Again apply this formula. 2 into 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Here 1 minus 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Clear? Simple calculation. Now simplify. 2 into 2 4. 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Here in the denominator you can take common. In the denominator you can write like this: 1 upon 1 minus 4 tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Correct? This is the main step. Now 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. In the denominator take LCM. In the denominator take LCM. 1 minus tan square x whole square. This multiply by 1 as it is. 1 plus tan 4x when you open. 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. Clear? Here you apply the identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. And when you simplify, it becomes 4 tan x. One term cancel. 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x whole square. When you reciprocal this, one term will be cancelled. 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan 4x minus, this is like term. You can add 6 tan square x. This is the right hand side. Your homework, do exercise 3.3, question number 21 to 25. 20 to 25, correct. Thank you.